Welcome to English hashtag. So in this video I will talk about that you want to learn English and you want to speak, but you can't speak because there are so many hesitations, because there is so many resistance in you at its register you to speak. Because we all know that if you are at my channel, then for sure you are only for speaking English. And many times you think that uh, we will watch that video and we will watch those video and we will speak. No, it will not done. Because if you want to learn English, you have to speak. And if I talk about myself, um, um, I don't watch more motivation video. Only motivation gives me thought that when I was insulted, I will narrate a I will narrate my past story. When I was in college, and one of our class student came to us and she told us that, have you a pink dress? We wear tomorrow pink dress. So you can't imagine that that time I don't know the meaning of have you a pink dress. So uh, only this sentence this sentence stuck me in mind. It's very deeply, and it only gives me motivation that how I don't understand that time. It's a very simple sentence. So you have to angry on yourself. Don't be helpless. Don't at a low ebb. Because if you will feel very helpless, if you will feel very vulnerable, then you don't learn you can't learn English. So I was talking about that, don't your confidence at a low ebb. Because if you will feel self pity that anyone will help you, no one will help you. You have to help yourself only. And don't feel helpless. Because if you are telling that you don't have anyone to speak with yourself, so speak so take any English book. And if you will say that I don't have any book, so take any textbook. It may be second standard, kid of any second standard, third standard, fourth standard. Because that English will be very good for you. If you don't know anything, so take only a textbook of English of any class and just speak. And if you are saying that I don't have that book, then you can go in market and you can take any second hand book. So only think in your mind that you have to speak. And if you are demotivated, then think about all the moments then when you were insulted by others, and if you are mocked by others. So only this thing you can motivate. So you are learning English and you are speaking English not for boasting others. Because if you will do like that, and you will just impress others, and by this you will not improving. And we all know that we are not perfect. We are not infallible. We are not impeccable. We can do mistake. Because by mistake, only by mistake you can learn. If we talk about any child, at starting at their childhood, they were just blabbering, not they are saying a very perfect sentence. So just speak. And now point is that what we should speak. Because we don't have anyone partner. So if you have a newspaper, then you can talk about any topic of newspaper. And recently I have just read about Atul Subhash case. So it is a very disheartened case, and his demise of just he was in Bangalore, and he just died by we can't say that word, so you can understand. And his wife was also in a very good company, working in a very good company. Despite that, she leveled so many allegations on him, and he has to go court. Their judge was also not very good, and he mocked him, and he told him that you haven't died yet. So it was very disheartened case. But you can take any case and you can talk about any of that case. And as well as, if you want to improve your English, you have to add some advanced vocabulary. For example, if I am saying that he is poor, so despite poor, you can say destitute. And if I want to say that he is clever, so despite clever, you can say astitute. So by this practice of again and again English words and English sentences, you can speak very well. You can day by day you will improving. Right now you can tell me that you are not very good, despite you are you are mustered courage, and you are speaking and you are uploading video. I know my English right now is not good, but I have to speak because I want to speak. I don't want to die just like that. My wish was speak very good, and my wish was speak fluently. So it's okay if you are laughing at me, if you are mocked at me. So it's very good for your health. So and if I talk about motivation, so don't watch more motivation video. Take motivation from your life yourself, and remember and remind that person that when they laugh at you and they mocked at your English, and when you hesitate to speak, and when you register and you, balk at you to speak English, so don't think about anyone that they will laugh at you. And if I talk about Miss Sandeep Maheshwari, we all know Sandeep Maheshwari. He is a motivational speaker, and he said आसान है. We all know that it's not very easy. We have to speak, we have to do hard work, but it's okay. If we have to do hard work, we will speak. No matter who will mock at you, no matter what will other will speak about us, we will speak.